Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nat, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'll be doing a Valentine's Day special of some gourmet strawberries. Perfect time for Valentine's Day. So please, on your way in, could you please give me a like? I'll wait. Also, hit the subscribe and consider joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is melt our chocolate, and I'm starting off using some Gardelli's white chocolate. You want to make sure you break them up into the little pieces that they're divided in, that way they can melt evenly. Now we're going to be adding just about a half a teaspoon of coconut oil, and this is just going to prevent it from burning. Now I'm going to be popping this in the microwave on 30-second intervals until it's completely melted. Once it's melted, it should look something like this. And right over here, I'm using some red food coloring. And if it's not oil based, just put a little bit of coconut oil in there and mix it. That way, you know, it don't make your chocolate seize up on you. So I'm just going to drizzle it over the top just to give it a little design. Next, I'm going to go in with a toothpick just to make it a little more swirly. Now you want to take your strawberry, dip it in just so slightly, and just give it like a good swirl, and you'll be able to see the design stick on the side. And then we're just going to let the remainder drip off. And just like that, here go one of our strawberries. And I love how it had that marble effect on it. I'm going to do another one right here. You just want to dip it in, twirl. It started breaking up at this point, but I was trying to get it as presentable as possible. But you still could see the marble effect. Next, we'll be mixing our dark chocolate, and we're going to be doing the same thing like we did with the white chocolate. Break them up, add some coconut oil, and microwave it on 30 seconds intervals until completely melted. So once your chocolate is completely melted, it should look something like this, nice, rich, and velvety. And we're just going to mix this up just so it can break up any little pieces. So now we're going to just dip our strawberries in and completely coat it. Try to coat it as much as possible. We're just going to let the excess drip off. That way when we transfer it over, it don't be dripping too much into our toppings. So y'all, as y'all can see, I'm just swirling this around inside of the chocolate just to make sure it sticks first before I go in with my hand. You want to make sure you cover these as much as possible to where you really don't see the chocolate at the bottom. Now we're going to do the same thing, completely coat our strawberry. So next we're going to go in and top it with our peanuts. And you can use whatever type of nuts you want. You can use whatever kind of toppings you want. These are gourmet, so try to have fun with it. So now I'm just going to do a couple of more, and I'm just going to repeat the process for each strawberry. So once we're done completely coating all of our strawberries, we're going to go ahead and stick these in the freezer for about 10 minutes until they're set. And once they're set, they should look something like this. At this point, we could go ahead and put it inside of our gift boxes. And I'm telling y'all, if y'all looking for like a little side hustle for Valentine's Day, this is perfect. You could probably sell these for about $25, $30 a box. So I hope you guys get a chance to try the recipe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I would like to give a special shout out to my channel members. Thank you guys so much for joining my channel membership. And if you guys haven't already checked out their channels, go ahead and check out their content. They're amazing content creators, and I know you will love them just as much as I do. So I will link their channels down below. Go ahead and check them out. And if you haven't already, consider joining the membership, as we have monthly giveaways. We'll be doing some lives coming up, and it'll be much, much more to come. So I hope you consider joining. I will leave the link up above and also down below so you could check it out.